Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today's video is going to be very enlightening to a lot of people. A lot of players, especially your beginners and some intermediates, don't have their timing down properly. And it's not about the physical part of the game that I'm talking about here. It's about what goes on between our ears. Today's video is about the mental aspect of shot making. About a year ago, I had a eureka moment where I shot a shot and all of a sudden it was like, I knew what I needed to do from that point on. And what I'm talking about here is as you get down on the shot, stop at your cue ball, gather your thoughts, be very ready to shoot, be calm, come back, and execute. Do not rush this. This is the part that I think a lot of players neglect to recognize. It's all about self-awareness. Don't shoot until it's ready to, or time for you to shoot. Don't shoot until you're completely committed. That's the key here. It's about controlling the focus, making sure the timing is right. Come around the shot, do all your pre-shot routine as you normally would. Down on the shot. Last thing you do is stop at the cue ball. You're looking at the object ball. Come back and make the shot. You cannot miss if you do this. I'm telling you, it's going to improve your shot making ability and your consistency tremendously. Now, I'm only shooting to this side of the table just because the camera is right there. The other thing I want to say about this is you don't want to be thinking about the shot when you're down on the shot. So this is about clearing the mind so we have room for that focus that I just talked about when we settle at the cue ball and then pull the trigger. Have your plan in place before you get down on the shot. So right now I'm going to put draw on my cue ball. Low right draw. I'm looking at the line. I'm going to take a nice easy stroke, settle at the cue ball, and make the shot. Today's video is short. It's very important. This is going to help you. I'm guaranteeing you. I want you to leave some comments too in the comments section. As you practice this, let me know how it affected your shot making. I guarantee you that your consistency will go up once you start to apply this to your pre-shot routine. Thanks for watching. Leave those comments. Until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.